I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. We're thinking about doing a little planting, we're thinking about doing a little watering out here in the garden today. One of the questions I hear a lot is, how often do I water my stuff? How much do I water my stuff? Well, the answer to that is check your soil. Nobody can say just how often or how much you need to water because everybody's soil is a little bit different. So this is a method that I really like. Dirt simple, fail proof, the whole bit. So you come out here and you take a shovel full, a trowel full, from some place you're going to be planting or you're wondering if you need to water it, and compress it into a ball. So if it holds a ball, that's good. Slight pressure, crumbles, that is just about perfect. So it makes a ball, but it crumbles with pressure. So now here's a little bit that's too wet. We push that together, we apply pressure, and it makes a pancake. That's too wet. See how that can actually form a ribbon? That is too wet because it doesn't crumble easily. Here we have a spot that's pretty dry, barely makes a ball, and falls apart. Too dry. So what you're looking for is soil that is moist, compresses into a ball, crumbles easily. Simple as that.